Nice Jeep, fella. Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosey, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, by now you've read the title, you've seen the thumbnail, and you know what this video is all about. Rosey's HotLogic canned chicken casserole. That's right, it's Rosey's HotLogic canned chicken casserole. And this casserole can have anything. I think I'm going down the wrong aisle, y'all. I'm doing a YouTube video and about to get run over. Oh, that's a park right there though. I need to turn this thing around. All right, family. I think there was a park closer. Boom, right here. All right, fam. I gotta pick up a couple of things. I want one more ingredient for my casserole. I want something a little hot and spicy. And I gotta pick up something for the RV. I need a filter that filters the water that goes into the RV. But that's neither here nor there. All right, family, so I'm gonna run in Walmart, take care of what I gotta take care of. We're gonna pull over here in the parking lot. We're gonna start that casserole. We're gonna make it happen right here in the parking lot. All right, fam, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, fam. Look like somebody's got our shaded area, but they're most likely just doing lunch. So we're gonna barge in here and get us a piece of this action. All right, family. This is going to prove to be an incredibly simple video. We got 1 can of chicken, my go-to pico de gallo. We have our serrano peppers and 1 container. At the end, we'll be adding some eggs and some cheese. All right, family, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this simple recipe over and done with. Let's go ahead and dump our chicken. Put that in our handy dandy trash bag. Let's go ahead and dump about half a container of this pico de gallo. Juice and all, baby. Put that back in our apple cool refrigerator. Go ahead and chop us up a couple of serrano peppers. Season all, baby. Get out a quick chop. I got the temperature on that apple cooler refrigerator turned down rather low. I hope these eggs aren't frozen. Pro tip. Perfect crack every time. Oh yeah. All right, fam, a little salt and pepper in my special salt and pepper shaker. If you're new to the channel, this is something that I got from like Lowe's Hardware to go on one of those boards with the holes in them. And I drilled some holes in the top, made the perfect pepper and salt shaker. And I mixed the two together because you always use salt and pepper together. One thing I didn't do, fam, I didn't go ahead and preheat that HotLogic. It's not a must, but sure comes in handy. Stand by. Normally, I would wait and to sprinkle on my cheese, but since we're gonna be doing some running around, and I might forget to stop and put my cheese on, we're gonna go ahead and put the cheese on right now. And I'm doing a YouTube video. What's happening? YouTube video. I cook and camp out of my Jeep.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I do cooking videos. I do reviews. Right now, I'm doing what they call. I'm doing a canned chicken casserole, and I got canned chicken, serrano peppers, pico de gallo, because it's got everything in it. And I put some cheese on it. I'm gonna put it in my HotLogic, which is a portable oven. So with a little hot plate. I keep it right here. I put it in, I'll drive around, do all my errands for about an hour, and it'll be lunchtime. Yep, so that's what I'm doing. No, fine, I'm glad you asked. Now you go home wondering today, what the hell was he doing? Yeah, I'm just doing a YouTube video. All right, brother. All right. All right, fam, that was awesome. He was just curious to know what I was doing. And there you have it. You heard me explain it to him. All right, fam, we're gonna get everything cleaned up, put up back into our apple cool refrigerator. We're gonna run a couple of errands, take our coffee home, get it all set up, and we'll probably sit in the garage or the RV or wherever, and we'll have our lunch. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. This one won't take long.